Today we are looking at my budgies eating. The food is down here. I make another bowl out of a shell because Lavender always chases Bluebell away from his food. So I make them fair with another bucket of food. So she's drinking right now. I think she's about to take a bath. Yep, she is. Yay, she took a bath. Look how wet she is. I'm too cold. Oh. Are you trapped in the water? Looks like you're trapped. Is Bluebell gonna take a bath too? Oh, he's already kind of wet. Okay, can you eat now? It's your dinner time. Wow, Lavender, that is wet. Oh God. I'm not sure if Bluebell did that on accident or on purpose. But he really fell into the water. I think it's on purpose. Oh, now I think it's on accident. Bluebell and Lavender, it's enough water for you today. And also, you better eat. Okay, she's going. Are you cold? I think she's a bit cold. Bluebell, seriously? Or are you not hungry? Okay, you're not hungry. Or is it you want to get wet or dry off first? Then go eat your yummy food. Okay, no food today then. Well, I guess the next meal is tomorrow morning. Okay, bye-bye.